Now to day 6 of the Gwyneth Paltrow trial in Park City. Expert witnesses taking the stand as science takes center stage.
Yes, ABC4's Annika Johns joining us live in studio with how the trial took a turn today, combining science with skiing. Annika?
Yeah, thanks. Newton's laws of motion were at the forefront of the trial today as Paltrow's attorney called a mechanical engineer to the stand to analyze both Paltrow's testimony and the plaintiff's witness testimony of the events that took place. With the deadline drawing near, the trial against actress Gwyneth Paltrow enters into day 6. Today, Paltrow's attorneys called to the stand a mechanical engineer who says the only recount of the events that follows Newton's law of motion is Paltrow's.
Is it your opinion that Ms. Paltrow's version is the more likely of the two versions that you looked at, Mr. Ramones and Ms. Paltrow?
Yes, once again, it's the only version out of the two that matches with the laws of physics.
The engineer states that a person's center of mass, the location of the hit on the body, and direction of the force were all taken into consideration when making his calculations. But based on prior testimonies of the skis remaining on Paltrow and Sanderson's feet, the plaintiff's witness testimony, he says, is not physically possible.
As you heard in the testimony, all the skis were on. It doesn't work. It takes actually very little force for this to release, the heel piece to release, in a scenario like this. So it doesn't match with physics.
However, Sanderson's attorneys combated the statement, saying that their witness never specified the direction of Paltrow's skis and in turn making the engineer's calculations wrong.
The skis could have been going at a different angle, one or the other, and still cause this crash. And your versions assume those are not possible.
The engineer did stand his ground regarding his calculations, saying he took multiple ski angles into consideration.
You assume that there's only one way that their skis were going parallel to each other. This is your only assumption, right?
Wrong.
Is it your opinion that
You made assumptions that these are possible?
I looked at other angles, that's right.
The trial is still underway, and Paltrow's 2 children who were present for the crash are to have their depositions read. Back to you.
Thank you, Annika. Be sure to stick with ABC4 News for coverage of this Paltrow lawsuit as it continues. We will follow the trial's developments and bring you the latest updates here on air and always online at abc4.com.